Form Titan video, and in this video we'll talk about how to push data to Salesforce using Form Titan DocuSign. So what I've done here is I've got a contract and it's got very basic information in there like contract term, contract start date, contact name, street, city, postcode, state, country, and then signature. And what we're going to do is we're going to push this directly into Salesforce, first the data and then the attachment as well. So let's get started. What I'll do is I'll go, if you have a look on each field, I've given it a tag, and it's a very unique tag. So I'll go in here and under advanced, you can see this one's called contract term, this one's called contract start date, contact name, street, city, postcode, state, country, and signature. And then what I'll do is I'll go back into settings and I'm going to make the document access to be public just for the sake of this demonstration. And then I'll go into document submit, and then you'll need to check what's called push to Salesforce. Go ahead and configure and then choose your object. I'm going to choose contract, and that's what I've chosen, and I'm going to create. Next, it's mapping. So what I've done is I've specified a static value for the account ID because we need to specify an account for every contract you create. And then I'm just going to go ahead and specify the fields. So for example, billing street will be billing street, city, city, state, state, postcode, country, and I think there are two more fields that we need to do, which are contact name and contract terms. So there we go, there's contact name, and then our final one is contract terms. There, that's it. And then you go ahead and click apply, and then you're ready to go. Now all we got to do is publish this. So go ahead and click publish. Here's my form, and now I'm going to go ahead and add the data in there. So we'll call this 6 months. Contract date, contact name is going to be Joe Blogs. Billing street is going to be billing street. Billing city is just going to be called billing city, and then we'll call postcode EC12345, Alabama, country will be United States, and then I'll just go ahead and sign it, and I'll just choose one of my existing signatures here. Once I've done that, I'll go ahead and click finish sign. The document has been pushed. And now we have to go back and check our integration logs to see what's happened in here. So if you check, if you go to General, Advanced, under Document, Settings, and then under Optimization, you've got something called Integration Logs. And this will tell us what's happened with a specific one. You can see there's a contract just been created. So I'll click Contract. The record ID takes us into the record ID. There's our data, all of it, just as we pushed, and there is our contract. And this is going to take some time to load, but I'll show you how that version actually looks like, because it sends one to your email as well, of whoever the signer is. So we just wait for this to get ready. We can even download it. And here you can see the push data directly into Salesforce. And that's how it's done. That's how you create something in Salesforce and push the data directly into Salesforce using DocuSign.